Hello everybody, we are from Nottingham class. So today we want to tell you about Singapore.
Introduce yourself first.
Before we
Introduce
start,
yourself.
let us introduce ourselves.
First, my name is Amira Fashari Imanina.
My name is Gisela Mileita. Welcome to MY team. Hope you guys enjoy. The first topic is introduction of Singapore. Singapore is a small nation in Southeast Asia that's famous for its modern skyscrapers. It's known for blending cultures with Chinese, Malay, Indian, and other communities, living together, creating a rich mix of food, festivals, and traditions. Singapore is also a global business hub, attracting visitors from around the world for both tourism and work.
This is three reasons why we must visit Singapore. The first reason is because Singapore has famous spots like Marina Bay, Garden by the Bay, and Universal Studio. And then the reason number two is because you can enjoy a mix of delicious foods from different culture at hawker centers and restaurants. And then the last reason is Singapore is known for being very clean and safe, making it a great place to explore and comfortably. Three tribes in Singapore. The first tribe is the Chinese community in Singapore constitutes the largest ethnic group in Singapore, accounting for about 74% of Singapore's population. The major dialect groups in Singapore is a Hokkien, Teochew, Cantonese, and Hainanese and Hakka.
The Malay tribes in Singapore, such as the Orang Laut and Bugis, have been part of the region's history for a long time. They have kept their unique traditions and communities and customs, adding to Singapore's rich culture.
And the last tribes is in Singapore there are many Indian people from different groups like Tamils, Punjabis, and Gujaratis who came the country a long time ago as workers or traders. These communities have shared their tradition, language, and religions like Hindu, Sikh, and Islam, and have helped build a country in many ways.
There are so many tourist destinations. The first, Marina Bay Sands,
And the second, Garden by the Bay Sands,
and the third, Marian Park,
and the fourth, Singapore Flyer,
and the fifth, Art Science Museum,
and the sixth, National Museum of Singapore,
and the last is Singapore Zoo.
Singapore's strength. Singapore has the strategic location which made an ideal hub for international trade and commerce. Singapore is a member of ASEAN Pacific Economic Cooperation and Association of Southeast and ASEAN Nations.
Three examples of strength of Singapore. The first, standard of living, and the second, personal finance potential, and the third, economic and legal structure. Comparison between Jakarta and Singapore. Jakarta is bigger than Singapore.
The second one, people in Jakarta is more chilling than people in Singapore.
The third, Jakarta's street food is more delicious than Singapore's street food.
The fourth, tribes in Jakarta is more than tribes in Singapore.
The fourth, Singapore is cleaner than Jakarta.
The fifth, transportation in Singapore is better than transportation in Jakarta.
The seventh, people in Singapore is more independent than people in Jakarta.
And the last, island in Singapore is less than island in Jakarta.
all about our presentation. Thank you for you guys' attention.
Alright, so now the question session, yeah. It's quite interesting when you say that Singapore, even though it's small, but it's still richer and also better than us. So in your opinion, in what way that Indonesia country can copy from Singapore so that they also can become one of the greatest country in the world? In your opinion,
The what is it?
one of the greatest countries in the world, like Singapore did, even though they are really small. You can discuss the two of you. In what way Indonesia country can copy from Singapore? What should we copy from them? Because look at them, even though they have small tribes, right, small people there, but they are still more productive than us and also better than us in every aspect. Did you get it? Okay, let's go. Do not see that directly. Try to answer.
Maybe the economic and legal structure.
Legal structure, okay. Like what? Please explain it. Let's say, okay, I give you the example. Let's start from the environment. As you can see in Indonesia, especially in many cities, it's really easy for us to see the rubbish everywhere. So, in what way we can copy Singapore so that people in Indonesia stop littering around?
Indonesian people have to obey the rule that they cannot throw the rubbish everywhere.
Okay.
So that's why in every country and in
But again, if you said that we actually have the policy for that, right? But still people break that. So why Singapore people is totally different? What makes them different and also make them really want to follow all the policies that the government made for them? You know, right? At Singapore, we couldn't litter. We also couldn't even throw something. We need to bring it even and put it inside our pocket. So, what makes them totally obey with the rules?
if they throw the rubbish everywhere, they get punishment.
They get punishment. What kind of punishment? The one that you already researched in Singapore.
Denda.
Okay, penalty, right? And then only that? The sanction? How about from the human itself? What makes them want to follow, in your opinion? Let's go. I don't ask you to be quiet. Answer the questions. Or let's say you can give suggestions for Indonesian people. What should they do? So we can be more like Singaporean. You said that they are more individualistic, but at the same time they're also more productive than us. So, what can you give? Suggestion. Amira, let's go. What suggestion you can give to Indonesian so they can be like Singaporean? Come on. Yeah, don't ask you to be quiet. Answer the question.
Give it first. Let us think.
How come you? Can?
In my opinion, Indonesian cannot listen to other people's opinion, so they feel like they are already
Know everything.
know everything.
So the one it must change. Okay, now Amira. Cannot skip. Answer the question. Same the question. Okay, let's say how to make Indonesian people more productive. Because you know, like Indonesian people like to gossip, right? So how? How to reduce it?
Singaporean like to gossip too, miss.
How? Give the suggestion.
I think the basic manners of Indonesian and Singapore is different. And then the Singapore in Singapore. What yeah? How to say yeah?
Just say it. It's okay. Can answer?
Cannot listen.
Okay. Second one. You are talking about the transportations. Why, in your opinion, the transportation in Singapore is better than transportation in Indonesia?
Singapore has MRT,
We also have MRT.
but not in what? In Bangkapinan, there
There is no.
No.
And then
only
Only use car and motorcycle.
okay. And then what makes the transportation in Singapore is what we call it better than the transportation that provided by the government in our country. Like didn't stay for a long time. What should they do for that?
Should follow the perkembangan zaman.
Follow the era. Okay, and then
Dan
only that. Okay. Hey, not satisfying this one. Alright, so just tell me the conclusion. What can you learn about Singapore, about this topic? From you.
Singaporeans are better than Jakarta.
Okay. Singaporean or the better Jakarta, you mean Singaporean is the people. Okay.
Singapore are better than Jakarta.
Why?
Because they know basic manners.
Okay, no basic manners. And then what makes Singapore better?
from the environment aspect. Singapore is also better than Indonesia
Yeah.
because
What?
Singapore is the most cleanest country in the world.
Okay.
And then
Then, suddenly I have a question. And the last question, this one already. Look, Singapore has lack of natural resources. But why Indonesia, the one that has so many natural resources, couldn't use it? So, in your opinion, what should we do as Indonesian to establish it?
What's naturally?
what natural what?
Natural resources. Yeah, like the tourist destination. We have more than Singapore, right? So what makes our less famous than them?
Because our tourist destination is not cleanest as in Singapore
Okay.
tourist destination.
That's the first. Okay, second.
Not interesting as Singapore.
Why?
Yeah, because not clean and Indonesian people often to get bored.
Often to get bored. Okay. Again? Another one again? How about the facilitation? Of course you know about it, right? So what do you think? The facilitation also must be
Good.
must be improved, right? So people will be easy to go there. Okay, then we think
Thank you.